HALOT Sky, our new LCD 3D printer, equipped with self-developed slicing software system, optimize the usage of 3D modeling and slicing to ensure easy utilizing and promptly converting your dream into reality. HALOT Sky has renovated the LCD printing technology for 3D industry. It adopts self-developed integral light source and auto-adjustment technology in software to realize precise light structure and the application layout of light principle. These will contribute to depicting the detail more exquisitely and printing the edges more smoothly, which would eventually result in high precision printing quality and the overall success rate of printing. Even if you are a new player, you can find your favorite reference template through the Creality Cloud app and start your exploration journey of various types of amazing personalized designs. The self-developed new system is perfectly embedded inside the 5-inch high-definition vertical screen on the printer body. To ease the anxiety of waiting and upgrading user experience, Creality Cloud also supports real-time monitoring of printer status and managing the printing process. A self-developed, customized, high-performance motherboard with super data processing and excellent graphics processing capabilities is applied to HALOT Sky. The reinforced Z-axis structure, composed of dual configuration of linear guide rail and ball screws, allows the printing accuracy up to 0.01 millimeters, which greatly guarantees the stability of printing and ultimately present your creativity in most delicate and outstanding way. Creality HALOT Sky with industrial-grade high-precision LCD printing technology serves perfectly for various applications of multiple industries, multiple scenarios, and different groups of end users.
Introducing Cetus 2, revolutionary extruder design for on-the-fly switching multicolor and multi-material 3D printing. Seamlessly switch between two materials and colors. No need to print wasteful purge tower. Cetus 2 is time-saving and material-saving. The co-extrusion printhead can mix materials at any ratio of 0 to 100%. So you can print pure colors, blended colors, or even color transitions. Mix and match different materials to generate aesthetic and functional designs. Cetus 2 sets free your creativity, elevates what you can 3D print to a new level. The newly developed system allows you to define every position of material switching on the model with a simple setup using the dedicated software. Simply add an image and adjust its position. Then our software will take care of everything else. No matter whether you print something for fun from PLA or produce functional prototypes from engineering materials, Cetus 2 can handle any task with ease and blended creativity. Equipped with linear rails and TMC silent stepper drivers, Cetus 2 is well prepared for fast and silent 3D printing. You can use whichever way you want to upload models you're about to print. All setups can be easily done on the touchscreen. With a built-in sensor, Cetus 2 is able to initialize with fully automatic leveling and Z-level calibration to get prepared for any task. Equipped with filament detection, extruder flow monitoring, and power out recovery to make the whole printing process safe and easy.
Introducing Creality 3D Print Mill. This newly designed Core XY mechanical structure, combined with the 45-degree tilted print nozzle and the carbon fiber conveyor belt with unlimited Z-axis, makes it possible for many print jobs that traditional 3D printers can't achieve. Through the slow-moving high-strength conveyor belt, 3D Print Mill can achieve a continuous printing of batch models without manual management, improving your time and cost effectiveness. The infinite Z-axis design makes long strip printing that was unimaginable in the past possible and opens up countless possibilities for future model design. The mass production you can achieve with 3D Print Mill can further global public welfare undertakings. For example, production of low-cost microscopes with 3D printing technology can bring more possibilities for the popularization of medical and educational appliances in the third world. This is the Creality 3D Print Mill, an epic-making 3D printer born to transcend pain points using new technology to create a perfect 3D printing experience.